Input shaping. What is it? Where did it come from? How do I get some? Ringing, ghosting, rippling, vibration artifacts. I like to call them the wobblies. And as you can tell by looking at this acceleration tower from last episode, we've got the wobblies. You can see every time it stops and starts, there's a little wave pattern. So we're going to use something called input shaping. And what input shaping does is apparently accounts for the natural vibrations that occur in your machine from accelerating and decelerating and stopping and starting, and it can magically cancel them out.
Klipper firmware does not condone, authorize, or rely on the use of magic, sorcery, or any other forms of witchcraft. All motion compensation is achieved through mathematical calculations, sensors, and logic.
Alrighty, we skimmed the official Klipper documentation. We got our ringing STL that they provided, and we changed a couple of settings. We input a tuning tower code, and we sent it. So, can't wait to see what happens. Okay, there it is. And I gotta say, this thing sounded horrendous. At around 7,000 to 8,000 acceleration, I thought it was gonna bring the house down. So let's go ahead and mark it. So use X and Y marks at the back of the model for reference. The measurements from the side with X mark should be used for X configuration and Y for Y. And we are taking a look. We got our measurements, we got our little guy, and we made some marks. We measured it with a caliper. So this is it. For Y, 100 times 5 divided by 14.5. 34.4 hertz. And for the x-axis, 500, and we're going to divide that by 12, 41.6. Alright, so after we've got our numbers, you can go ahead and throw this section into your printer config, fill it out with your numbers. For X, we got 41.6, and for Y, we got 34.4. Klipper input shaping, huge upside, just a little bit of math. I am thoroughly impressed. This looks amazing. So I reran the ringing tower, and it looks immensely better. There's still ringing, but just sitting next to it, the first tower and the second tower. Hey, editor. We got an editor in the house? Yeah, what's up, boss? What's up? Yep. Yeah, could you throw up like a split screen of the two, it shaking before and then it not shaking after? Yep, right away, boss. You got it. That's input shaping right there, man. Wow. Look at that. It looks so much better. That pretty much sums up the Ender 5 S1 tuning series until Mikey arrives this weekend. When he gets here, we'll have ourselves a little tuning shootout. But in the meantime, I'm gonna refocus my efforts on the Ender 5 Plus. It needs some wiring attention. It needs cleaned. It needs some work.